how to add discount code on Wix website. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add discount code on your Wix website. So to do this, the first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your site dashboard. This is your dashboard. And then next thing is to locate coupons. All right, coupons. If you cannot locate it in the menu at the left side of the screen, just go to your search bar here and type coupons. Okay, yes, so this is it. Then click on it. Once you find it, then once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to the coupons page. Okay, then on this page, by the top right corner of the screen, sorry, you will see the add coupon icon. Click on it. Then once you've clicked on it, you'll be asked to select the coupon you want. Is it for discount, for percentage, money, free shipping, etc. In this tutorial is a discount for money, so just click on it. And then once you've clicked on it, enter the coupon code here. Okay, the kind of code you want it to be, then the coupon name, and then after that click on discount, and then after that click on create coupon. Okay, I cannot create a coupon now because I have not filled out all of these fields. All right, so if once you filled out all of these fields, click on create coupon. And then once you've created the coupon, you once you click on create coupon, another box will be displayed, and then you'll be asked to choose which services or products the coupon applies to from the apply to drop down menu. All right, and then you can select any of the ones that apply to you. If it's for applying once per order, applies to each eligible item, etc, just select it, and then once you are done, the coupon would be created and added to your Wix website. So this is how you can add a discount code on Wix website. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.